Welcome student. In this numerical, electric potential in some region is expressed by 6x minus 8x y square minus 8y plus 6y z minus 4z square. This is the value of potential. The magnitude of force acting on the charge of 2 coulombs situated at origin. It means the charge is situated at origin. The charge of 2 coulomb is situated at origin. So first we have to find out. So how we will find out electric field? See, force, we know force is into charge into electric field. This we know. It means we have to find out electric field. Electric field, how we can find out? We can find out electric field equal to negative potential gradient, or this portion can be written as del, where del is an operator, or del is represented by partial derivative of x with partial derivative of y, partial derivative of z in x, y, z direction. So E is equal to, can be written as E is equal to del into V. So del is this value into V. This is V. And if you bring the E inside, this is partial derivative of potential with respect to x. Since I cap is coming because electric field is a vector. So vector. So first we will find out, and this is the component of electric field in the x direction. So we have to find out Ex. This is electric field is equal, can be written as electric field can be written as electric modulus of electric field in the x direction I cap plus modulus of electric field in the y direction j cap plus modulus of electric field in the z direction into k cap. So first we will find out Ex. So what is Ex? E in the electric field in the x component, because electric field in 3 dimension, it will be in the x, some value y is z, x, y is z. So first we will find out x component of electric field. This is x component of electric field, which is nothing but minus negative or partial derivative of potential with respect to x. So Ex is equal to minus dou V by partial derivative of potential with respect to x. What is partial derivative? If we are doing any function with respect to x, partial derivative means we have to keep y and z as constant, only x to be differentiated. So here what is d? Partial derivative is equal to minus d by d. So we can take the minus out, minus into potential. This is the first one. So differentiation of 6x minus. So since this is we are doing with respect to x, y square will be taken out. Y square into differentiation of partial it means this is nothing but once we take the y square out with respect to x, we are doing partial derivative. If you are taking y out, and this becomes minus y square and into 8x divided by dx minus. So this is minus 8y. We have taken it out, and differentiation of along with this 1 will be the with respect to x plus partial derivative of plus. So this is 8, and here 6y is z into, now we can see once we take the constant out, once we take other variable out, then we can do normal differentiation into 1 divided by dx for this one. This is minus 4z square into multiplied by 1, so d multiplied by 1 by dx. This is the partial derivative. Partial derivative is nothing but if you are doing this with respect to x, so y and z will be taken along with the constant out, only that particular x will be differentiated. So Ex is equal to minus differentiation of 6x is equal to 6 minus y square into 6 into 8x. So we can take 8 also out. Into differentiation of s is equal to 1 minus 1, and differentiation of constant with respect to x is equal to 0, and differentiation of constant with respect to x is equal to 6yz into 0. This is plus 0 plus 0. So therefore ax is equal to minus 6 plus 8 y square, and exi cap, this one, this is exi cap, component of electric field in the x direction in I cap is equal to 8y square minus 6 I cap. So this is the portion, this full portion. Same way, now we have to find out, this is Ex vector, we have to find out Ey j vector. So Ey, what is Ey? Ey is equal to minus this one, minus partial derivative of y, partial derivative of potential with respect to y into j cap. This is Ey vector. First we will find out magnitude. So magnitude of Ey is equal to minus v by x. So this is nothing but Ey is equal to minus differentiation of v with respect to y, So we keep 6x as constant into 1. Our partial derivative of 6x is equal to partial derivative of 6x with respect to y, because 6 also constant, x is also constant when we are doing partial derivative of the function with respect to y. So this is equal to 6x into differentiation of 1 with respect to y. So differentiation of 1 with, here we can take it as a differentiation after removing the constant this side, after taking the constant other side. So this becomes 1. Differentiation of constant with respect to y is equal to 0. So this will become 6x into 0. The next is minus 8x. If you take it outside, minus 8 and differentiation of y square with respect to dy is equal to minus 8 into 2y is equal to minus 16xy, minus 16xy. This is minus 16xy. Then if you are doing this one with respect to, here there is no x and z, so this will become minus 8 into differentiation of y is equal to 1, so we need not to write it, 8. Now here we take this 6 and z out because we are doing with the partial derivative with respect to y. So we will do only 6z, we will take it as constant out, and we are doing differentiation with respect to y. Differentiation of y with respect to y is equal to 1. So we need not write. Now here we take minus 4z square, and 1 is, we can take 1 is along with this, differentiation of 1 is equal to 0. So this is the derivative of this one. So we can write Ey. What is Ey? We can check from here also Ey, which can, because with the y means we are doing differentiating with respect to y, this entire thing is constant, so that becomes 0. Okay, and differentiation of y, this minus 8x is constant out, differentiation of 2y is y square is equal to 2y, so that becomes minus 16xy. Then second is differentiation, this is minus 8 plus 6z. So this is the derivation, the minus which is equal to 16xy plus 8 plus 6z. So this is the Ex, and Ey vector is equal to modulus of Ey into j cap. This is equal to 16xy plus 8 plus 6z. So x plus minus plus minus. This will become minus 6z. So this is a so Ey vector is equal to 16xy plus 8 minus 6z. Then next is we have to find out Ez. Z if you want to find out, so it means the entire potential V to be differentiated with respect to Z. So with respect to Z, even it's a vector, it will be in y direction j cap. Okay, Ez, it means we differentiate, partially differentiating this one with respect to Z. Here Z is not the 6x, 6x is constant, a constant differentiation of constant is equal to 0. Here also Z component is not there, here also Z component is there, here it is there. So Ez is equal to minus partial derivative of, we will take 6y as constant and differentiation of Z is equal to 1. Now 4z square becomes 16, 4 into 2, 8z, because here partial derivative of 4z square with respect to z is equal to 8z. So Ez is equal to 8z minus 6y, and Ez vector is equal to 8z minus 6y k cap. So we have found out Ex I cap, E plus Ey I cap plus Ez I cap is equal to net potential. So net potential means it is the potential x, y, z components are there. It means it is in all 3 dimensions. So we can write the net electric field. The net electric field is asked at origin. So electric field, net electric field at origin. Origin means 0, 0 is equal to Exi plus Eyj plus Ezj, that is 8y square minus 6 I cap plus Ey vector. This is Ey vector. Vy vector is equal to 16xy plus 8 minus 6z j cap plus Ez. Ez vector is equal to 8z minus 6y k cap. Therefore, net electric field at origin is equal to, we are substituting x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0 at origin. It means here 8 into 0 minus 6 I cap plus 16 x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 plus 8 minus 6 into 0 j cap plus 8 into 0 z is equal to 0 minus 6 into 0 k cap. Therefore, this is becomes minus 6i cap plus 8j cap plus 0 k cap. So the net electric field in 3 dimension in vector form is equal to 8 minus 6i cap plus 8j cap. This is net electric field and magnitude of electric field. Magnitude of electric field is equal to minus 6 whole square plus 8 whole square is equal to 36 plus 64 is equal to 100. It's equal to 100. So net electric field is equal to 100. So it means magnitude of electric field is equal to 100 Newton per Coulomb, because electric field is equal to force by charge. So electric field this much, and force. What about force? Force is equal to, we know force by charge. Charge is equal to electric field, or force is equal to Q into E is equal to, charge is given as, the force at a charge of 2 Coulomb. The force is equal to Q. Q is equal to 2 into electric field. Magnitude of electric field is equal to, so 60, this is 10. So into 10 is equal to 20 Newton. The direction of force is along the direction of electric field, because see, electric field has got a direction, this is a scalar, so electric field, in what direction electric field, in the same direction force will be there. So this is equal to 20 Newton. This is the answer. This is a late question.